Hello, today I want to talk about the sound of the letter J. J make a sound like this. To say it, put your tongue behind your top teeth, then quickly move it down while making J sound with your voice. The sound starts when the tongue touches the top of the mouth and then move to let it out with voice vibration. Pronounce J by starting with it. Then mostly at the CH formation. This flow creates the J sound. For example, John, jacket, juice. Mastering the J sound will improve your English pronunciation, making your speech sound natural and clear. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention and don't forget to practice your pronunciation.